My name is Tina. I work at a large financial company in the marketing department. I usually get to work at 9 a.m., but sometimes I arrive late. The traffic is really bad in my city. I drive my car to work. I would like to ride a bike, but the weather is bad in London and I don't like riding my bike in the rain. Every morning I get a coffee from the local coffee shop and sometimes I eat a croissant too. Then I sit down and I check my emails. I sometimes have a meeting with my boss and we plan the marketing activities that we need to do in the next weeks. She is a great boss and she helps me a lot. I have lunch at 12:30. Sometimes I go out for lunch and sometimes I eat at my desk. I know it's not very good to eat at my desk, but sometimes I'm very busy. In the afternoon, I always make a cup of tea. It helps me concentrate. If I have time, I like to chat with my colleague in the accounts department for a few minutes too. At 6 p.m., I turn off my computer and leave the office. Every Monday and Wednesday, I go to the gym after work. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have Spanish classes at 7 p.m. On Friday, I try to see some friends and have a drink at a pub. At the weekend, I love to relax and read books. I often go to the supermarket or a local market to buy fresh fruit and vegetables. On Sunday, I see my family for a roast lunch. I have a small family. They all live just outside London. My sister is a vet and my brother works in an insurance company. My brother doesn't like meat, so my mum always cooks lots of vegetables too. My dad is retired and my mum volunteers at a local shop.